Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello, good morning, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 15, active and passive voice. Now let's understand what is the meaning of active voice. Now, in active voice, when the doer of the action is the subject, the sentence is in the active voice. Means when the subject is the doer. Doer means doing the action. When the subject is in the action mode, doing the action, that sentence is known as active voice. And when the subject is the receiver, receiver means when the action is done by the subject on the object, and object become the subject. That time when the subject is the receiver, action done by the subject, that sentence is known as a passive voice. Now see, with the example, students, I will make you clear both. Now here see, first example, Zakir Hussain plays the tabla. Now here see, Zakir Hussain is subject. He is doing the action. And what action is doing? He is playing. On what? On tabla. So here Zakir Hussain is the doer, means doing the action. Verb is plays, P-L-A-Y-S, plays, and the tabla is the object. He is the receiver. He is the receiver. So now this sentence is known as a active voice. Now when we are going to make active to passive sentence, at that time few things we had to keep in our mind. Now you are going to interchange subject and object. You are going to make the object as a subject and subject as a object. This first you are going to change. The subject become the object and the object is going to become the subject. Now this is the first rule, and second thing you are going to see which tense it is, whether it is in present tense, past tense or the future tense. So according to the tense you had to use the helping verb. Now see this sentence, plays, P-L-A-Y-S, plays, that means simple present tense. So you should remember what is the helping verb in the simple present tense. Two helping verbs are there, is, are. When you are going to use is, when the subject is singular, you are going to use helping verb is, and when the subject is plural, you are going to use are. Clear this, students? When subject is singular, use is, and when subject is plural, you are going to use are. And now see, students, one main point, our main verb will be always in the third form, that is the past participle. Third form also you can say, or you can say the past participle. It is one of the same. Clear? Don't get confused. It is same. Third form also and past participle also. It is same. So now, and see, the main verb, that is the third form, it will be always in the third form, and in all the tense means it may be in the present tense, past tense, future tense, the main verb will be always in the third form. So students, it's very easy. Only you had to keep in mind the helping verb of the tense. Present tense, past tense and future tense. Now see how I am going to change this sentence. The tabla. First the T will be capital. The tabla. Now singular. So I am going to use is. And play. Main verb will be in the past participle. That will be the played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. Then I am going to write down the preposition that is by. by, and then subject is going to become object, that is the Zakir Hussain. Tabla is played by Zakir Hussain. Clear students? Second example I will give you. The dog bites Ram in the park. The dog bites Ram in the park. The dog subject, bites verb, Ram object. In the park, extra information. It tells you where the dog bites in the park. So the same procedure, it is present tense. So helping verb are same, is, are. Now see, first you had to interchange subject and object. Ram going to become the subject. Now see, Ram is singular or plural? Singular. So which helping verb you are going to use? Is. Ram is. Now bites, third form. Beaten. B-I-T-T-E-N. Beaten by the dog in the park. Clear students? The dog, Ram, is beaten by the dog in the park. Now see the third example. The baby breaks the toy. The baby subject, breaks verb, the toy object. The toy will become subject, the baby is going to become object, and break, main verb, will become in the third form. The toy is broken by the baby. Now see students, write down the rule. Rule number 1. Subject singular plus is plus third form of verb plus by plus object plus other information. And when the subject is plural, subject plural plus are plus third form of verb plus by plus object plus other information. So students, here you had learned how to change simple present tense of active voice to passive voice.